Okay, so my little wig here is wigging, okay? And this was achieved by yours truly. It's Byrem House. Stay tuned and let's see how I achieved this look. Okay, girls, so welcome back to my channel, of course. So what we're looking at is a wig head mannequin stand and a wig head, block canvas wig head, which we're going to be using today. Of course, I'm in the hotel room, so you can see my little coffee maker. I got a little board, decided to make a wig out of some hair that I found. But anyway, I'm showing you guys the wig head. You have the back. That's what I consider the back because we all have a little bit of a big head at the back, and then that's what I consider the front. A lot of people think different, and that's okay. I just prefer it that way. Okay, so of course we're gonna put a little head on the stand. I'm using a size 23. Not that it matters for this style. The size for this style doesn't matter. Okay. And of course, I got some Crochet Wig caps. Now, that brand, I think you can get any brand. It doesn't matter what brand you get. And of course, you wear it on the canvas head, and that's what the back looks like, and that's what the front looks like. The netting in the front is a little tighter than the netting in the back, as you can see. Okay, so you definitely need a crochet pin. And this is the hair I got from the beauty supply by my house. It was $2.99 only. I know it looks like it's $5.99, but it was $2.99, and I bought 4 packs. So the $2.99 here, of course, I I bought 4 packs of this. Mind you, is the color 27, honey. Okay, so of course we're gonna be blonde. Okay, a blonde wig. You hear me? But the hair was $2.99. I couldn't pass it. You know what I mean? But again, this is one curl by Freetress. It also says teeny curl on the pack. There were 4 bundles in each pack, and each bundle had 10 braids. I do not remember the length of this. So what I did was open the hair or the braid into two. Okay, of course this is crochet hair, so we're doing a crochet wig, and this is what the hair looks like when you separate it into two. Separate the braid into two, and what we're gonna do is just crochet, the hair on our little cap there. Now, before you do that, usually you want to pin the cap to the blockhead, but I left my pins at home. Again, I'm in a hotel room, so yeah, we don't have no pins to hold that cap in place. But you know how to crochet. If you know how to crochet, this will be easy for you. What we do is I just did 2 knots with the hair, and that's it. I didn't do too much to it. And then I decided to crochet the hair where you have where the net is or the thread is a little bit tighter, like where you have a lot of the thread connecting to each other. Okay, because I don't know if I'm explaining that well, but you could see where I'm putting the pin. It's at the connection points of the threads. Okay, because I feel like more thread, more strength. Um, I don't want to just use a single line thread and it pops. So I'm really crocheting where you have the thread connections. I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope it does. Anyways, so of course we're making 2 knots only, and that's it. And as for the spacing I'm doing a 2 square spacing. Okay, for the beginning I'm doing 2 square spacing, and I'm going to crochet the hair all the way around the temple area of my blockhead. As you can see, I crocheted all around, and didn't touch the front part of it. Okay, so what I did was temple to temple, all the way in the back. That's how I'm going to crochet. Then now what we're going to do is we're going to crochet in between the spaces. Like you see the way I crochet it with the spacing of 2 squares apart. I'm going to fill in that space just so as to cover it. Okay. Are you seeing what I'm showing you here? I hope you are. I suck at this, explaining myself after. I should just do that while I'm, doing the hair. But you see what I mean? I'm going to crochet in between the spaces so as to fill up the spaces, but not on the same line. I'm going two squares above, the previous line of crochet. Okay, so we're going to do it one more time so y'all can see. I again look at where my pin is going in. My pin is going to go in where you have the thread connection, like all the thread connect to form a square, like right there. Okay, and then we uh hook the hair in like we normally do for crochet, and we make two knots, and that's it, friends. That's how I crochet this wig, and I'm gonna keep doing that, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. um and girls, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, honey. What you waiting for? You need to join this family, girl. Okay, okay, okay. And you guys forgive my voice. It's early hours of the morning. I don't know why I'm always doing recording videos early hours of the morning when my voice is hoarse. But okay, that's something I do. But look, I have covered the holes, and this is what it looks like. And of course, I did it all around again. um from temple to temple, and this is what it looks like. So we're just gonna keep going and filling in the spaces all the way to the top, and I'll come back and show you how I covered the top, or how I did the top, so you see what it looks like. Okay, so in crocheting, the middle part, I went up three spaces, okay, because you don't want to do only two squares, it'll be too much hair. So I went up three spaces. Anyways, we're done crocheting the back, and we only have the front left and a little bit of the middle part where we're going to close in the crochet. So this is what it looks like. That's as much as I have left. Now, personally, I think the front part is too wide, so I'm going to crochet all around to reduce that spacing. So I did that, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to crochet the hair horizontally all the way to the back until I cover right there in the middle, okay? Because the hair coming to the front, you don't want too much in the front. So we did that, and this is what it looks like. This is the first line of it. And I did about 4 braids there in that front, so I don't have a lot of hair coming to the front, and just to get the style right. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that and finish up. So we have crocheted the front, and only the middle part is left. So we're going to just crochet all around it, not in horizontally. We're going to just crochet all around and just finish right there in the middle is what I'm showing you. So we did that, and this is what it looks like. Our crochet week is done here, friends. Okay, that was easier said than done. Okay, it did not take 9 minutes to do this, but I have to record this video in 9 minutes. So I went ahead and started, releasing the curls of the hair, because I felt like the curls are too tight. I'm not gonna go nowhere wearing this wig like this. So I put some on my hand, or used Hawaiian silk, the 14 in 1 miracle hair oil, and put some of that on the hair, and just kind of pulled on the curls and release. You pull on the curls a little bit and you release, and that's how I got the fluffed out look. Okay, so we're done. This is what the back looks like. Again, I'm at a hotel, so forgive the background, but this is what the back looks like, and I really like the hair, honeys. Okay, we did a good job. Y'all better give your girl a round of applause. And this is the front, and I'm loving my hair, feeling myself, Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Byrem House.